Hello guys, and welcome to the updates here on Pound USD. We've got Euro USD, Gold, USDCAD, and we've got DXY. Starting off with Pound USD, my anticipation was to see price pull into this region as a breakout, which we got at market open, and then anticipation was there would definitely be a pullback to see price continue to the downside. Hence why I took the trade I took, which is an upward pullback trade to this region. It was a good trade and the only trade I have so far. Now in that reason, going forward, my anticipation would be that price hasn't broken back above these rejection regions of 1.3333, which was the anticipation that if price breaks it, we'll look for buy opportunities. So my anticipation still remains similarly the same, which is to see if price breaks above these regions one more time. Then I look for buy opportunities, possibly to the top upside, and then I've seen price coming back into this region and looks like it's rejecting it for a possible buy. That's fine, but if you have price break by below these support regions of 1.3275 regions, then I'll continue my sales again. All right, at this point I'm not really quite confident on what price is trying to do. So to be confident, I want to see price above 1.3340, and I want to see price below 1.32, basically 3250, to see if you're selling, continuing our sales, or the rejection or the pullback to the downside, or if price wants to resume the bullish momentum. And similarly here on Euro USD, we've got that retest. I didn't get that retest to give me like a double top like I mentioned earlier, and a continuation to the downside, but we just got that continuation exactly to these regions, and it looks like it has picked up orders and already come back for a pullback, and it looks like it's continuing to the downside. Now it's kind of hard to make a decision at this point. It's almost Thursday, and at this point, if I slide down, let's see, to the 4 hours 30 minutes time frame, okay, this is what I'm going to do. To be honest, I would want to see price break below these regions again for a sell opportunities to the downside, or above this region here for buys. So more or less what I'm anticipating would be this. Okay, let's go back a little bit to the 1 hour time frame. So I'm going to be looking out for a break back again into these highs to make a continuation to the upside if possible. And it looks like price has created a downward movement, a low, a retest. This is a retest, but we're not sure of what it's doing right now, so I'm going to be looking out for price to come below this region here, previously low made here on 1.1165. So break, retest it, and I can continue my sales and possibly down. All right, so this is what I'll be looking out for here on Euro USD for the next 24 hours before the market closes. All right, similarly here, gold, we saw break, no complete retest, but we've seen price below this region again. I'll be looking out for rejections around this region right now to continue my sales to the downside. And the only reason I'll be looking for buys now is price above this region. Okay, that's that. USDCAD, a lot of things here, but my anticipation was to see price retest these highs, this new breakout it made around 1.8940. It did come back over extension at this point, and it's already continued to the upside. Kind of like a busy week for me, so I didn't pay attention. This would have been a place where I would have looked for a potential continuation to the upside and launched my buys, or a pullback to continue to the upside. At this point, I'm only looking out for price making a new high here, so I can see opportunities to continue the buys, or for sells below this region. Okay, that's that for USDCAD. And for our confidence, I just anticipated the price to continue, which it did. We've retested the critical region and pulled back. Now I'll be anticipating to see price continue from here back to these regions, or if we're tired, I'm making a huge retest to this region to continue to the downside, which is to see price below these regions one more time. You can take this out for a moment. Alright, that's that. The video is kind of long. Yeah, this is that for the update for the week. I'll see you for a recap. Let's see what happens between now and the end of the market tomorrow. And yeah, I'll see you guys for recap. Ciao.